tired of creating marketing content one piece at a time? What if a single product photo could generate multiple advertising images, promotional videos, and marketing assets in just minutes? Today, I'll show you how I used CapCut PC with GPT Image 2.0 and Seedance 2.0 to transform one simple product image into an entire marketing campaign. From batch image generation to AI-powered video creation and multi-track editing, everything happens inside one workflow. Let's get started. Creating multiple marketing images with GPT Image 2.0. I started inside CapCut PC with GPT Image 2.0. Instead of generating only one or two images, I wanted to test something more practical for marketers. Let's start with the AI image feature. First, I'll generate an image and then turn it into a video. I'll paste my prompt here. For example, a smart portable Bluetooth speaker on the hood of a pickup truck overlooking a massive American canyon at golden hour. Select the resolution, quality, and aspect ratio and click Generate. It will start creating the image, so just wait a few moments. As you can see, the result is ready. The speaker has been generated on the hood of the pickup truck exactly as described. I'll download this image and create another one using a different prompt. This time, I'll use a premium party speaker with colorful LED lights beside a modern backyard swimming pool at night. After clicking Generate, the second image is ready as well. Now, let's convert these images into videos. I'll upload the first generated image, enter my video prompt, and this time, I'll use Dramina Seedance 2.0 Mini to generate the animation. Then, I'll select the resolution, aspect ratio, and video duration before clicking Generate. After a short wait, the video is ready. You can see the image has been transformed into a smooth cinematic video. Next, I'll upload the second generated image, enter another prompt, and once again, generate the video with Dramina Seedance 2.0 Mini. After the processing is complete, the second video is ready as well. As you can see, it's incredibly easy to create high-quality, modern AI videos by combining the AI image feature with Dramina Seedance 2.0 Mini. The motion felt natural and professional while keeping the product as the main focus. One of the biggest advantages of CapCut PC is the ability to create multiple creative assets quickly. Instead of producing content one by one, you can generate different visual styles, create multiple video variations, and build an entire marketing campaign much faster. If you're creating marketing videos, product advertisements, or social media content, this workflow can save a significant amount of time while giving you more creative options. Download CapCut PC today and explore how GPT Image 2.0, Seedance 2.0, batch asset creation, and multi-track editing can help speed up your content production workflow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.